I visited the Ritz-Carlton Residences in Pompano Beach and took videos of the construction progress. It's progressing well, the beachfront tower looks beautiful, and I love the ocean views. This property includes 2 towers, one on the beach and one that's canal front with boat dockage. Foundation work has started for the Marina Tower. The Marina Tower is 100% sold out, and there's limited availability remaining in the beachfront tower. Of Ritz-Carlton residences that are currently under construction in South Florida in 2024, the Pompano Beach location is the only one that includes a beachfront tower. Contact me and visit my website for additional details about this property.